If your car is having excessive vibration, a failing engine mount is one of the common reasons for this vibration. Alright, let me just go ahead and show you how to replace it with a new one. This is the engine mount. As you can see right here, it's damaged. Let's go ahead and take this out of the way. These are the essential tools you need for this job. Let's not forget safety first. Use jack stands and wheel chocks. Lift the car. Remove this splash shield. Support your engine, that way it stays in place once you remove the bolt. By removing this bolt, you will be able to remove your engine mount. Make sure the new parts match with the old one. Alright, let's go ahead and install a new engine mount, align it correctly and tie it to the right torque. Check your owner's manual for that information. Let's start the engine. This is the before and after. If you found this video useful, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.